What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great, or good afternoon, depending on where you are, of course. It's probably not evening where you are, but in this video we'll talk about Ethereum again, your daily update. We had a nice bullish move overnight, a bullish breakout as well with Ethereum. Unexpected. I mean, we talked about it a little bit in the video yesterday, but then we talked about it for more of the future, like beginning of the upcoming week. And not necessarily the same weekend or the day after, or even sooner it was. So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about what's going on right now, why perhaps we can expect some more bullish momentum, because that is a possibility. I talked about that as well in my Bitcoin video. So that's more general for the market. If you want to check that out, check that out. But in this video, we'll focus on Ethereum, because Ethereum actually right now is a bit more bullish than Bitcoin. Like, for example, what you see is that we broke above these waving lines. Those are EMAs, and we broke above the 28 and the 50 EMA. And after breaking above that, we actually found support there. So that indicates that we are perhaps trending a little bit, and then it would be to the upside because we're getting bullish breakouts. The ADX, by the way, is not saying that we're trending. It's still saying that we're consolidating. And to be fair, you could make a very nice argument for a consolidation like this, right? With a little bit of a fake out Friday the 12th, but for the rest, it's okay. So that's definitely a possibility, but we'll talk about that in this video. Before we get into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. And there's also a link to BYBIT, my partnered exchange, if you're looking for a great exchange to trade, to invest with the lowest fees, and where you can actually get a deposit bonus right now. Check them out as well. But now on to Ethereum. So, see, the biggest reason why we could actually get bullish momentum is because May is ending. May has been a very bearish month, basically since the beginning of May, like since that first Monday. A lot of shorts were opened, and it's okay to assume that a lot of big traders, institutional traders and stuff, actually opened a lot of short orders right there. We can also see that, for example, Friday at the end of the week right here, but also the end of the week last week, we actually got some bullish momentum. So perhaps they're closing their shorts, and altogether a new month is starting, and it could actually be like, first of all, May, all of the orders, all of the trades from May closing could cause some bullish momentum, because I do think most of the traders were short, and institutional traders at least. And then apart from that, it could also be that June is just going to be a little bit more bullish. Now, we do have to still see that, of course, because in the end, and I said that in the Bitcoin video as well, in the end, the macroeconomic situation is not great. The dollar strength index is still very bullish. So to really get a nice rally, we would need to see that drop on the market opening later today. Otherwise, I mean, it's you can all see it on the chart, all right? And I'll tell you why. Because right now, we had a bullish breakout above this level between 1845 and 1835, but let's say 1840 is the most important level. We're going to drop down to that level to test it. If we can then hold it right here, and we can actually hold it until tomorrow, for example, then if the dollar strength index is also going to be bearish, we can actually break above 1870 and get up to 1910, which is our next resistance level. Now, as you might have heard from the way I talk about it, I don't think this is likely. I think it's more likely that the dollar strength index is going to continue its bullish momentum, and that, sure, we might be able to hold this level for a bit, but that at some point we'll drop down below 1840, and if we do that, then we're dropping down to 1810, 1800, and we're in a consolidation, right? It's confirmed. So we'll have to see. I mean, things are possible. Sunday to Monday is always a period of time where a lot is possible, but we'll see. So this is my take on Ethereum for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, enjoy your weekend. Take care and bye.